Hello, my name is Jack Avery. I was on level 2, then level 3 and then level 3 patisserie, and I am currently on Concord on my second placement working in Egham. What I learned on the course over the 2-3 years was the basics of kitchen life and different variety of skills and history about cooking and chef life. My tutors, they were nice and they were very friendly towards us, but also strict when they had to be. The facilities at the college really did help me experience what true chef life is like in the real kitchen. We had a wide variety of different utensils and equipment which benefited us in the long run. I joined Concord from college from help from Jeff Jordan, who was very pleased that I was going further than what I was capable of. Concord really did help me, and thanks to the college I was able to experience the real world and the proper kitchen life. In my personal opinion about why someone should join this college on the chef course, Hospitality and Catering, is because it lets you experience new things and improve your skills, and it just changes your life for the better.